Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Side Hustle Keisha, and I appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. If if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so this time. Hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Today we're going to be talking about a cool side hustle. I think it's one of the ultimate side hustles that is out there because you get paid and you get free products. So I want you to apply today, but before you apply, I want you to listen to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you 3 tips to help you be successful in getting approved. And then I'm going to share with you one extra tip that will allow you to increase the money that you have, the opportunity that you have to make more money. Okay. So stay connected. Make sure you drop a comment below and let me know how you like this opportunity. If you get the job, if you get the opportunity to create and make money and get free products, come back and let us know. Make sure you also know that when I do these videos and I share these opportunities with you, always in the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to
At the description box in the video below, it will always be detailed information about the opportunity that we discussed in the video. It'll also be opportunities that if you're looking to, I have a free opportunity, free work from home opportunity, a free training also to help you get more leads and recruits for your business, a free report of the 5 amazing benefits of CBD. You want to get this information, go ahead and click on these links below and get more detailed information. Also, so you know, I have my Linktree link so you can stay connected. I am on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, as well as YouTube. So thank you for coming back. Let's jump into this cool opportunity. I want you guys to know about it. If you're looking for some way to make some extra money, you can do it at your convenience. This is the opportunity to check out, okay? If you can speak well, if you like talking and giving your opinion, this is going to be perfect for you. So I wanted to share this opportunity with you, and we'll jump right over. The company is called Billo. Billo is a platform that allows companies to list their products, and then it allows people like me and you to come over and apply to review those products. You receive those products for free. They come to your home. You create a video of your review of the product. Now, how you get started is you would come over to the link that I provide in the description box below of this video. Once you come over, you want to click on, I believe if you're looking at your computer, it says creators, for creators, or if you're looking from your phone, it's going to have to click the 3 lines, come over here and hit for creators. When you click on for creators, it's going to take you to join our community of video creators. And that is going to instruct you to download from the App Store or get it from Google Play. Once you download the app to your phone, you can begin. Once you begin, it's going to ask you your information, your name, address, phone number, things of that nature. It's going to ask you for a picture of yourself because they want to see who you are. You're going to be all set then. But to start reviewing products and getting these products sent to your home to review, you're going to have to upload a pitch video. So you have to grab some product in your home and you're going to review it. So most of the stuff that we already use, we know about. So that makes it easy. I did my review, my pitch product with a bottle of the Goli apple cider vinegar gummies, because I've been using them for a while and I know a lot about them. It's a 15-second pitch. You need to be prepared to put your best foot forward, right? So once you upload that video and get approved, you're going to see this next screen. This next screen is going to show you what products are available for you to review. So I just got approved yesterday. Today they approved me to review one product. Okay, so I'm waiting for the other products. They are currently in review. I went through these steps already, so I'm sharing with you what I've done. So if you go here at the top, it'll have hot offers. You can look at it by category, and the categories are health and wellness, fitness, consumer goods, cosmetics, other. And let's see what other is, just so you know. Other is like random different things. I think this is a monthly subscription box, Mindful Souls, with like health and wellness products in it. This is a helmet. Of course, they have bras, a calligraphy pen. I guess they call it like a hammock for kids, and glasses. They have these migraine massager for TikTok. So how it works is once you find a product that you think you want to review, you go here and it says, if you look here, it says, I want this. Next to the $20, you earn $20 for the video. You'll get the product, the migraine massager, and you need to shoot the video in this particular aspect and ratio on your phone. When you go to video, if you click on the screen, it should tell you what aspect and ratio you're filming in and give you options. Before you start applying for jobs, look at what your phone is set up to already do and what you know how to do with those settings, okay? If they only have 3 settings, then an aspect ratio 9:16 is not it, then you can't apply for that, right? You don't want to apply for something and then get it and can't do the video or got to figure it out. Only thing you want to figure out once you get that product is the video that you have to do. So check your phone, see what your camera will allow you to do, what you know how to shoot in. I don't know how to change my settings from what I already have. It's about 3 different ways that I can shoot a video, 3 different settings that I have, and those are the only opportunities that I've applied for. But once you choose an opportunity, you're going to read through what they want. They're going to want, if you get migraines and headaches or sore eyes, you need this. They want you to kind of refer to that or say that. Reveal the reason why you decided to try the migraine massager. Describe the main benefits of the migraine massager. Give the main reason to buy the migraine massager. So the mentions, they want you to mention, if you get migraines or sore eyes, you need this product. Migraine massager. It uses heat, vibration, and air pressure massage technology to actually help your migraines and sore eyes. Also has a Bluetooth so you can play music to forget entirely about your throbbing head. So then it'll tell you to use code TikTok10 to get 10% off yours today. Swipe left to grab yours now. So they're telling you what they want you to say in the video, okay? So they have some Pilates toning bar. If you're athletic and want to be on video doing that, that may be a good go for you. They have a watch I applied for. They have several watches that I applied for. They also have this Buddy, which is a noise maker for security that you put on your keychain. They have a shirt company and some pods, some tennis shoes, a necklace. So just so you guys can see the different variety of things that they have. Cosmetics, skincare, eyebrow, products for eczema, moisturizer, makeup items. So they have a lot of different items that you could apply for. These are skincare items here. So this is a video of a bonnet, a hair bonnet. And this right here is a sculpt, like a body sculpting product. So you would go here and apply. Sometimes if it's a shoe, they're gonna, when you say I want this, it's gonna ask you to give them your size. If you have a color preference, you can put that. You might have to take a screenshot of the product if it has a color preference and then upload that picture so they get you the right one, the right color that you want. Because of course in the video you're going to be dressed, so you want to coordinate those colors so it looks really good in the video. Basically that's it. They have several different categories. You can come through here and see what you would like to do. The main thing is to make sure you look at the aspect ratio, so you know that you have that ratio video recording on your phone already set, so you can easily push record and start recording and send the video. The second thing is when you once you upload your pitch video and get approved, you want to start applying. And what I noticed I think it was 2 days ago. Well, it was last night actually, because once you get approved, you're going at nighttime, they upload new offers. So your app, because you download the app to your phone, your app is going to start getting notifications. I was like, what is going on? And at night, really late at night, like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, they start adding new offers that they got from other companies. Companies come to them, tell them what they need. They upload the opportunities, you apply for them, they approve you for them, and then they send you the products to your home to review. One of the things in the beginning, once you do your profile, upload your picture and upload your pitch video, you want to make sure you're in a quiet location that's well lit and your camera is ready to roll. Check your camera. If you have an old camera, phone or cell phone, you may need to get a new phone. If it doesn't, because this is stuff that you're sending. These are the 3 tips now. This is stuff that you're sending to a company that's going to be using this for their promos on social media. So you want to have a good video, not a bad video. So well-lit place, well-lit portion or place in your home, quiet, and you want to make sure that your equipment is working well. If you don't have a ring light, bring in extra light in that room so that it could be brighter. Open up the blinds. Those are the tips, the 3 tips that I wanted to give you so that you get approved quick and fast, so they don't have to keep telling you, can you record again? Can you record again? You want to make sure that your first upload is your first and your last upload, right? Until you start uploading for companies. Last, if you get really good at this and you can upload 20 videos a month, you get the opportunity to go pro. And when you go pro, the videos that are $20 and $30 go up. Okay. Once you go pro and you do 20 uploads every month, you'll be considered pro and your pay would increase. So it wouldn't be $20. If it was $20 before, it'd be higher because you're now pro. So that was what I wanted to share with you. The link for this opportunity below in the description box. Make sure that you guys check your phone, check the area that you're in, make sure it's quiet. They don't want to even hear water running in the background. It has to be a quiet moment to shoot this video because they don't want any background noise. They just want to hear you talking about the product and showing the product and raving about the product and getting the best shot possible. I hope this has been helpful to you guys. If you get the opportunity, make sure you drop below in the description, the comments, and leave a comment and say, hey, I got it. If you thought this video was good, say, Keisha, thanks for the information. Once you guys get to working on this app, just let's communicate back here so that the other people who watch this video a month or 2 months from now know that this is a real deal and it's a real opportunity that they can do to make extra money. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys have a nice night and I'll see you back here at Side Hustle Keisha. Bye-bye.